Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, March the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. You are interested in the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 8108. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right, 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 1, 2, 2 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4 fours. All right. About the 5, 1 5, 2 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights. All right. And 3 nines. So the ones, the fours, and the eights are a majority. Can I start with 1? No. Well, I need to wait. How about the fours? 4, 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Well, I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 8s? I need a, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. So we need an 8 there. Okay. We have 8. Well. No. I cannot continue with 8. How about the 4. Let me go back to the 4. Need a 4 here. Four, okay. A 4 here. All right. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. 9, 9, need a 9 here. Well, thinking. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have an 8 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 in the first column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair again. 8 and a 9 in this column, first column. 8 and a 9 in the second column. So the third columm. Only 2 places left for the 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in this column, first column, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for 1 in this big square should be there. 1, 1, okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Right here. I need a 7 here. Here I need a 1 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places left, 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Wow, need an 8 here also. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. The 2. 2, 2, need a 2 here. I need a 2 there. 3, 3, 3. No 3 here, no 3 here, 3, 3, 3. I'm thinking. Need a 1, need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. Six. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Well, in this column, we need a 6. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, or there in this column. We have another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. We have a 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the only place left is 6. Should be there. Right. 2, 2. Need a 5 here. 2, 5. Need a 3 also. Well, thinking. Yeah. Come on. Need a 7. We have a pair. The 1 and a 7, the 1 and a 7 in the third row. The 1 and a 7 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So we have a 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there, we have an 8 in the middle row. 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, do we have all the 8s? Yeah, and all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 8. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 and a 3. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 there. How about need a 2, need a 5, need a 6, 2, 5, 6. Well, a little bit sleepy. Come on, come on, come on. I'm thinking. No 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. How about the 9s? No, the 9s. Need a 9 there. Ugh. I'm thinking. 3, 7, need a 6 here. 6, 9. Yeah. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, some third row only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Overlooked. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column, only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Need 4 here. Need 4 there. Yeah, I cannot continue with 4 now. Oh, wait. What the 1 then? 1. 1. Well, 5. 9. Need a 7 here also. 5 here. Need a 6. Let me think. Come on. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. Okay, cannot continue. 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. So here we have a 7. Here we have a 7. That means in this column, the 7 should be there. Because in this box can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 7 and a 5. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And we have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in the last row, the 4 and the 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, and 3. The 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right. And let me see. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes in there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. Number 2. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 3. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here also 2 and the 6 are missing here. We need a 5 here. Yeah, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left on the 5. Could be here, could be there. Let me think. The last 2 numbers. In the last row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. A lot of pairs. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 is 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. Oh, we already have a 7 here. Almost made a mistake. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay. Then. 2 and 3. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, here we have a pair. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here should be also 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or a 3, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, and now 2 and the 6 are missing in the second row. We have a 2 now in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Yeah, 6. 6, 6, 6, okay. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second column, in the second row, in the middle column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, and 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4, 4. Correct. In 90 minutes. Well, take more time than the previous Sudoku. Anyway, not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.